ready and excited dahil ngayong Lunes, January 13, magsisimula na po ang regional romantic comedy series na handog ng GMA Public Affairs, ang My Ilonggo Girl. The series revolves around the idea of doppelgangers. Ito po yung mga taong tila kambal sa itsura pero hindi naman po talaga magkamag-anak. Siguradong isa na naman ito sa mga abangan ng ating mga kapuso. Virginia Awards?
Sa aming event. Ayan, iniimbitahan po namin kayo na manood po ng My Ilonggo Girl this January 13 na po yan. And sana mag-enjoy po kayo kasi ito po ay isang rom-com na. Sa aming event. Ayan, iniimbitahan po namin kayo na manood po ng My Ilonggo Girl this January 13 na po yan. And sana mag-enjoy po kayo kasi ito po ay isang rom-com na.
Hi guys, I'm Romix Group, our official photographers sa gitna po.
Sige. It's a good question po. Actually, the show was brought up recently, last year lang po, and everything started very fast. Jillian and I shared a workshop together with Tita Ann, and that's where we really got to work on our relationship work. I mean, at first, rom-com is light lang, but I think that's where the challenge is. Talagang lahat ng genre, lahat ng work in this industry, you really have to be serious and put in work because chemistry was no joke for me and Jillian. There's times na nahihirapan talaga kami. I mean, it's our first time and it's Jillian's first time having a partner. It's my first time then being paired with her. So there's times na parang nailang kami sa isa't isa. But we worked through it po together and I think that's what's important because like yung titigan, we recently were able to maintain eye contact for more than 5 seconds without laughing. So, masaya po kami doon and we're proud of each other siguro kasi nga this has been a challenge for us and seeing the sneak peek, na-excite lang kami.
Yes, tama. So actually po, nung mga unang araw na nakawork ko si Michael for My Ilonggo Girl, sobrang ano po, as in, basta nagtititigan po kami, tumatawa kami. So si Direk, ayun, medyo ano na po, nalulungkot na si Direk sa amin kasi
Papaluin na ni Direk.
hindi namin matapos po yung eksena. So talagang inaral po namin recently na sabi namin kailangan magtitigan tayo na malapit na hindi tayo tumatawa. So ayun po, pinapractice naman po namin talagang ayan, si Michael, talaga nag-effort din po siya talaga na to make us comfortable. Ako especially, nafe-feel ko na talagang grabe po yung effort ni Michael to make me feel comfortable. Kasi nga po, first time ko ding mag-rom-com talaga. I mean, nagkaroon din po ako ng mga parang kilig scenes sa aking ibang shows. Pero ito po yung talagang serious rom-com show ko. So, sobrang naka-help po sa akin na talagang magaan po ka-work si Michael and nag-effort po siya na kausapin ako to make me feel comfortable. So, ayun.
Nice. So, seeing each other again, she's really like my daughter. So, it's very easy. But, minsan yung pagtataray niya, Tita, paano ba magganito? So, sasabihin ko, isipin mo lang yung ganyan. Oo nga, no? Sige, ganyan lang, iha. So, meron kaming ganon. Our rapport is very good. And for the new ones, like si Michael, I really appreciate he goes out of his way to say hello to kaming mga medyo may edad na. And it makes work easy when you know everyone is willing, the young ones with the older ones and the older ones with the young ones. And it's a very happy set we have. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Teresa. Miss Arlene, ikaw, bilang nanay sa tunay na... Dito sa My Ilonggo Girl, ano yung side mo naman na pwedeng ipakita? Right side o left side?
Actually, front side. Hindi, joke lang. Abangan na lang po nila at sobrang maraming side ang makikita nilang side dito. Side this, side by side effect, lahat ng side ng gusto nila makita dito po. Makikita nila lahat. Thank you for leader by my side.
O sige, wala nang side comment. Anyway, ano yung role mo dito, Empoy?
Ako po ang assistant director sa Ilonggo. Hindi, joke. Ako po ang kapatid po ni Jillian Ward.
Totoo
The
ba?
heartthrob. Okay lang ba? Okay. Okay naman na. Ako naman po magtatanong.
Okay. Ang kumusta naman katrabaho?
Ano yung spotlight dito medyo?
Kumusta naman katrabaho si Jillian bilang kapatid?
Ay, sobrang bait po niyan. On and off camera, talagang Jillian Ward na kailangan magkaroon ng award. At ayun, sobrang sweet ng bata at naalala ko sa kanya yung mga kapatid ko tsaka yung mga pamangkin ko. Tsaka yung goldfish ko na alam mo yun. Si Twinkle yun. Si Twinkle. Jill. Hi Jill. Yeah.
Thank you rin po.
Bagay sila na, guys.
Okay, maraming salamat, Empoy.
Thank you po. Salamat.
Napasaya mo ulit kami. Thank you.
Kailangan talagang seryosohin itong craft na to. And masaya po ako that I got to work with Tita Connie because we developed a relationship as Lola in real life. Actually, till this day, we still text each other and I even text her about My Ilonggo Girl. Sabi ko, Lola, pagdasal niyo po ako. And ang dami niyang advice na binigay sa akin. One of the advices that I really cherish that she gave me that I now use in this career is she always told me to have integrity. Kasi importante yan sa career natin, where we're in this limelight. It's important that what we show to the people is genuine and it's positive and it will impact the lives of other people. And siguro po, dinala ko lang yun dito sa show na to. With my scenes with Jill, my scenes with my family and my castmates, I wanted to make it as natural, as genuine as possible. And so far, so good. We're very happy on set. We're enjoying things. And in terms of acting naman po, I learned many things from Shining. Sa mga emotional scenes ko doon, nahirapan ako and I was open to direct. And the prod po na pagdating sa vulnerability, naka-challenge talaga sa akin. But luckily, ginagabayan po nila ako. And yung challenge na yun is very, for me, I find it good because at least I know that when I'm outside of my comfort zone, at least I'm improving somehow.
Okay, yung in terms of popularity, naramdaman mo ba na mas lumawak siya after that and now that you're in My Ilonggo Girl? And yung status as one of, napipil mo na ba yun yung being one of the Kapuso leading men?
Oh, goosebumps po whenever they say leading man because it's always been a dream of mine. I mean, the young boy from Canada who dreamed 3 years ago now is this position where I'm building my way to become a leading man. I'm thankful po, always grateful naman. And itong in terms of popularity po, I'm very grateful kasi mga lola, mga nanay na nanonood po ng Shining Inheritance, nakikilala ko as Yuan. Doon po ako natutuwa because at least nag-enjoy sila kahit magigil man sila yung mga relatives ko po natutuwa and doon po ako masaya kasi at least yung character ko had an impact on them. They saw yung relationship namin with Tita Connie and my relationship with Kate. I'm just grateful po and I know I have a long way to go but I feel honored and thankful na somehow nare-recognize naman po.
So ready ka na ang makilala naman nila and hopefully yung team up nyo ngayon ni Jillian.
Well, with Jillian po and being her leading man in the show, I promise to my managers to this network that I give it my all. I really work hard because Jillian Ward is Jillian Ward. And again, talagang I really look up to her. I idolize her. I tell her that she inspires me in my craft. Iba yung maka-eksena ka and iba yung titigan mo. So, I want to improve para hopefully this partnership will last and it will be a good future.
Okay, thank you.
Mantra ko po for 2025 is, kumbaga, mas ready na po ako sa mga bagong challenges. And I'm ready for change. Kumbaga, siguro po sa aking 15 years sa industry, sa aking mga characters na nagampanan ko, natutunan ko na lahat po tayo ay iba-iba. Kumbaga, lahat tayo we're unique in our own ways. So, kada may binibigay po sa aking character, inaaral ko talaga siya. Tinitingnan ko, paano siya magiging iba sa mga dati kong Pinay na characters. So kumbaga, ito pong show na to, dalawa pong characters ko. Si Tata, very bubbly. Hindi siya katulad ni Dr. Annalyn kasi si Dr. Annalyn, ano po siya, seryoso siya, more on about trabaho talaga. Si Tata, mas carefree, mas bubbly po talaga siya. Tapos si Venice naman, suplada talaga po si Venice. At first time ko mag-play ng character na artista. Artista din. So, talagang kakaiba po siya for me. So, yun na natutunan ko na we're all different. Kada character ay may sarili silang unique aspects sa kanila. So, yun po ang inyong abangan kung ano ba ang unique kay Tata at kay Venice.
Thank you, Ms. Aubrey Carabel. Thank you, Jill. Up next.
We're highlighting our beautiful country. I mean, the Philippines has many islands and many different cultures. And I personally fell in love with Iloilo because of their love for one another, their food, how proud they are. Kahit simple lang sila, simple yung mga ingredients, simple lang gawain nila. Yung type of love na ganun, it's very nakakahawa siya. I mean, it's something na parang may na-realize din ako, let's not take things for granted, enjoy life, and that's what Iloilo is all about. So in this show, I think it's one of the first that we get to highlight ang talagang pride and the culture, the festivals, the music, the people talaga. And we're proud that we get an honor to be doing the show for the Ilonggo people. And we even get to speak their language na napaka-unique. And ako talagang aliw and si Jill din, ang galing niya mag-ilagay nun. So, yeah, it's a good show po and please abangan niyo po itong My Ilonggo Girl.
amazing lang yung sagot ko. Kasi, copy and paste. Hindi kasi, ito po talaga, ang goal talaga namin dito is to showcase gano'ng kaganda ang Pilipinas, ang Iloilo. So, yun po abangan po nila kung paano ba ang culture ng mga Ilonggo. And syempre, dahil rom-com po ito, magaan lang siya. So, ang goal din talaga namin is magpasaya ng mga tao. Lalo na po ngayon, ang daming mga nangyayari na negative. So, kahit paano maging hinahad po nila to every
Then, your last name.
My last name. M-H-A-N-N-A.
Okay, and how were you discovered?
I was discovered by my manager right there, the attorney. He discovered me on Facebook. Tapos, I was in ABS dati, but nag-audition ako sa GMA. Tapos, I got in and I signed last year March.
Sabi kanina, you've never done any taping before.
Never
So kahit
po.
sa ABS, hindi ka pa nag-taping.
Workshops lang po.
Workshops lang. So your first talaga career as an actor is here in GMA.
Opo.
Here in My Ilonggo Girl.
Opo.
So how do you feel your first show is with Jillian Ward?
I feel very, very happy and very intimidated kasi prime actor sila. And I feel like I really have to do my very best. Kasi I don't want to be the downfall. I don't want to be the cause of the downfall of the show.
Grabe naman pressure yung binibigay mo.
Grabe yung word na downfall.
Ilang taon ka na?
14 po.
Bakit hindi ka marunong mag-Tagalog?
Ano po?
How come you're not fluent in Tagalog?
Kasi po, yung school ko dati is international school and the only language you're allowed to speak is English.
But you're pure Filipino?
Half po Lebanese.
Oh, your dad's
Lebanese.
Opo.
Your dad's Lebanese?
Opo.
Your mom's Filipina?
Yes po.
Where are your parents here in the Philippines?
My mom is in the Philippines. My dad is patay po.
Oh, since when? You met him?
COVID po. Opo.
Oh, COVID.
Opo.
Oh my God. Sorry to
It's
hear
okay
that.
po. It's okay.
And then you're 14 and now how ready are you to become a matinee idol?
I'm ready. I'm the most ready I've ever been. Because 1 year of workshops, I want to put it to the test.
Kaya lang, dito kasi, your role is
Julius po.
No, I mean, you speak Tagalog in your role.
Opo,
eh.
in my role.
So, was it hard for you?
Not really po. Kasi I don't really have a lot of lines. And since my role is special child, I don't really speak po.
Kaya yung daliri mo nakaganon habang nagpe-paint ka, no?
Opo.
So,